Guys, tanong ko sa inyo, let's say kung may 50,000 pesos kang budget or 50,000 pesos ang laptop na hinahanap mo, alam mo na ba talaga kung ano ang dapat mong bilhin? Kasi right now, papakita ko lang sa inyo meron ka ng MacBook na pwedeng mabili for only around 45 to 48,000 pesos. Guys, MacBook under 50,000 pesos. At ang tanong ngayon sa presyo na to, ito na ba talaga ang pinakasulit na laptop right now under 50,000 pesos? Yan ang alamin natin guys sa video na to. And by the way guys, good news ko sa inyo. In this specific video, mamimigay tayo ng isang MacBook Neo completely for free. Again, worth 45 to 48,000 pesos. So panoorin mo hanggang dulo. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Ipino, let's go! Okay guys, so this is again one of the most requested device right now na nire-request talaga even sa comment section and sa mga message na i-review because this is the latest edition talaga na ginawa ng Apple and this is they call again the MacBook Neo series. For the first time ever ginawa to ng MacBook. Again, ang tinatarget nila dito is I believe yung mga tao na naghahanap ng budget na laptop, especially mga estudyante. So right out of the box, I believe it gets the same treatment again from the other MacBook since this is also a MacBook. We have here the 8GB memory version and 256GB of storage, which is the 13-inch, no? So I believe this is the smallest MacBook ever created. And by the way, kung nagtataka ka, no, baka i-judge mo right out of the way na, grabe naman Kuya Jace, alit naman ang storage yan guys. Sa MacBook, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking RAM at hindi mo kailangan ng malaking storage kasi maraming solution just in case na mabitin ka. For example, let's say, sa 8GB memory, sobrang optimized kasi talaga guys ng Apple. Kaya even let's say, 32GB na RAM sa mga ibang laptop ng Windows is natatalo po ng 8GB ng Apple because of optimization. And kung nabitin ka naman sa 256GB of storage and ayaw mo gumastos ng malaki right now, pwede kang gumastos later kasi meron silang tinatawag na iCloud. But before that, alam ko sobrang excited na kayo. So tara, unbox natin siya. Let's go. So buksan natin siya dito. Ito yung okay. Ito nga. Grabe yun. Narinig mo ba? Every time that you unbox an Apple product, guys, they invested billions of dollars para i-engineer yung experience na to. Kaya dapat ini-enjoy talaga yan, guys. So, sorry na maging okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. So we got here, anong kulay ito? I believe this is the citrus color. Ito yung pinaka ina-advertise nilang color right now kasi honestly, ang ganda talaga ng kulay niya. So, one thing na napansin ko, being a MacBook user throughout the years na right now, meron silang bagong dito I don't know kung makikita, meron siyang hello. Kita ba? Kita ba? Meron siyang hello dyan. So, pull natin siya. Okay. Bigat. Nandun yung MacBook DNA na talagang, pag MacBook kasi talaga guys, bakal talaga siya. Full bakal talaga siya. So here, sana may Apple sticker pang kasama. Unfortunately, as I can see, wala na po talaga siyang sticker na kasama. They're really trying na mabawasan talaga yung waste na napoproduce talaga right now. So grabe no, before sobrang daming booklet na kasama nito and right now isang page na lang talaga siya. So next, we have here the braided charging cable. Parang iPhone lang yung charging niya. Actually, very very similar sa charger guys ng Apple yung sinama nila dito. And just to let you know, malalaman yung mamaya kung actually why, no? And I think yun na yun. Wala na ba? Wala na ba kasama dun? Okay, sige. Wala na guys. So nag-enjoy lang ako guys sa pag-unbox. And sorry na kung medyo malakas ang volume nun. So tabi na natin siya. This is the MacBook itself. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Balik na rin natin siya. Okay. Wow! Look at that! Look, guys 13 inches right out of the bat. Medyo maganda yung pakiramdam niya. Like, hindi siya ganun kalaki, hindi siya ganun kaliit. Parang perfect MacBook talaga siya na... yes, we have a meeting today. Yes. Okay. Okay. Anyways, tama na tayo sa mga aking natin. I'm excited na kayo. Okay. Bro, ang ganda ng kulay. Wow. Look at that. I mean, hindi siya mukhang under 50,000 guys sa laptop, to be honest. Speaker niya nandito na po sa gilid. Normally, nasa taas siya. Wala siyang USB port here on the right side. Sa kabilang side, meron siyang dalawang USB-C port and another speaker here and a headphone jack. Kaharapan niya, ganito po siya. Sa ilalim niya, pretty much very clean. May nakasulat lang po dito na designed by Apple in California, product of China. Hindi na siya assembled in China. And ito na siya. Bubuksan na natin siya guys. Sa inyo ko muna ihaharap. Ito yung pinaka talagang binabayaran mo sa MacBook pag bukas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, while nagbo-boot siya, let's be honest guys matagal na nating alam ang MacBook. Hindi lagi yung kasama sa usapan guys actually ang MacBook, especially kung budget laptop ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kasi dati, ang pinakamura na Mac po is nasa around 70,000 to 75,000 pesos. Yun na yung pinakamura. Pero right now with the MacBook Neo na nakikita mo right now, sobrang laki ng binaba po ng presyo. And just to be transparent guys nung una tong nilabas, this is only priced at 39,990 pesos. Pero due to the AI tax that is happening right now sa buong mundo, tumaas po ang presyo niya to 45 to 48,000 pesos na nabibili ko actually right now on Shopee. Pero kahit pa paano, I can say under 50,000 pesos pa rin po siya, which is yun yung malaking bagay para sa isang MacBook na affordable. So kung tipo mo let's say gusto mong pumasok sa Apple ecosystem pero let's say medyo tight ka sa budget, or estudyante or freelancer ka na naghahanap ng reliable talagang laptop, or naghahanap ka ng balance sa pagitan ng presyo and at the same time performance, I can say the MacBook Neo, based on my study, really deserves an honest look. Ngayon, una natin pag-usapan guys yung forma ng MacBook Neo. The MacBook Neo comes in a aluminum enclosure and fanless design po ito guys meaning wala siyang vents, wala siyang extra moving parts, wala siyang ingay even on a demanding task na ilalagay mo sa laptop na to. So note, it's only 2.7 pounds which is very guys light and napaka-portable nito. Meron pa siyang 4 na colors which is the silver, the blush, the citrus, and the indigo, which actually I personally prefer. Parang iMac actually yung inspiration ng color philosophy na ginamit nila dito sa MacBook Neo na nagkakahalaga po ng 100,000 plus pesos per pieces po. And according mismo sa Apple, ito kinagandaan nito, if you are very sensitive in terms of sustainability, 60% ng ginamit na materials po dito sa Apple MacBook Neo is recycled po. So kahit budget MacBook siya guys and even recycled material, honestly guys, pag tinignan mo, napakaganda, hindi talaga siya mukhang budget na laptop. Next is display naman guys. Guys, this features a 13 inches liquid retina display with an exact resolution of 2408 by 1506. Ang brightness naman po niya is up to 500 nits of peak of brightness guys, which I can really say guys na it really goes really bright as you can see right now guys. Ibig sabihin malinaw, matingkad ang colors, and ang pinakamalupit, comfortable panoorin, comfortable gamitin kahit pang matagalan. And guys meron tong option na meron siyang, I can say, ito ata yung gamit natin, may anti-reflective layer pa siya. So kahit let's say maliwanag guys out there, not may malakas yung sun, magiging readable pa rin yung tinitignan mo guys on the MacBook Neo. Now ito, isa sa mga pinaka-interesting guys na topic on the MacBook Neo. Ito for the first time ever, hindi ito gumagamit ng M series or even Intel chips. Yes guys, tama nig mo, hindi po siya gumagamit ng chipset na ginawa talaga para sa isang laptop or computer guys. Instead, ang ginagamit po ng chipset is yung A18 Pro chip. If you remember kung para saan yung A18 Pro chip, this is the same chipset na nahanap po natin sa iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. And according kay Apple guys 50% mas mabilis daw to compared sa best-selling Windows laptop na may Intel Core Ultra 5 right now in the market. At para sa mga on-device AI tasks, this is 3 times faster than the competition right now. Meron siyang 8GB of unified memory, meron siyang 256 or 512 storage options. And even guys na may 8GB of unified memory, again 50% faster than the competition right now on the Windows laptop. So kahit hindi siya M-chip, hindi siya pantay-pantay lang na performance. Sapat siya for browsing, schoolworks, photo editing, video editing, casual content creation, and even guys light gaming. The MacBook Neo got you covered. Next naman is battery. And I can say, being a MacBook user for the longest time, this is where I honestly love the M series specifically compared sa Intel series. Since this is still an Apple silicon, the A18 is still being made officially by Apple itself. This will give you up to 16 hours of battery life. 16 hours of battery life. Tas I can say, if normal user ka, aabot ka ng 2 days actually pag walang charger pag ginagamit mo to. Meaning, buong araw na gamit, walang hanap case ng charger. Perfect para sa mga school or work na let's say na walang access basta-basta or palagi kang on the go in terms of charging capabilities. At dahil fanless siya guys isa sa pinaka kagandahan nito, hindi siya tulad ng mga Windows laptop na parang akala mo turbo pa, no? Pag narinig mo pag uminit siya, guys. Eto guys, kahit uminit siya, tahimik pa rin siya kahit matagal mo siyang gamitin. At syempre guys, hindi rin kinalimutan ng Apple ang AI side, of course, on the MacBook Neo. The MacBook Neo runs on a macOS Tahoe right out of the box. And meron pa po siyang tinatawag na, of course, Apple Intelligence, which is basically the built-in AI features for the writing tools, image generations, and of course, succeeding Siri improvements. Plus guys just in case na bilhin mo yung 512GB sa storage, ito kasi sa akin guys, yung base model lang talaga binili ko, meron ka makukuhang Touch ID, no? So, igaganon mo lang siya katulad ng mga MacBook Pro para sa mas mabilis na pag-unlock guys. Plus at the same time guys, one of the best thing about MacBook guys is there's always a regular software update. I can say at least 5 to 7 years guys, wala ka may problema guys. Continuous update, makakasaway pa rin ang MacBook mo. So kahit budget friendly siya guys, buong Apple ecosystem pa rin ang nasa likod ng MacBook Neo. So ngayon, sasagutin natin yung tanong. Kung titignan mo lang yung presyo, nasa 45 to 48,000 pesos currently as of recording this video ang MacBook Neo right now dahil sa AI tax adjustment compared sa 39,000 pesos around before. Meron kang Apple build quality. I can say guys, this is a legitimate MacBook quality product. Mac OS ecosystem, AI features, 16 hours na battery. I can say 100% solid performance for everyday users. Basta as long as hindi ka katulad namin na let's say sobrang professional na mga camera, hindi ito yung parang MacBook sa'yo. Pero let's say may iPhone ka lang, may simpleng camera ka lang, or let's say may digicam ka lang, nag-aaral ka lang. I can say the MacBook Neo guys, sobrang okay na to. Honestly, para sa mga taong gusto pumasok sa Apple ecosystem for the first time ever, mahirap talaga hanapan ng katapat ang presyo ng MacBook Neo, even kahit tumaas ng presyo niya a little bit. Pero seryoso tayo dito guys, hindi ito yung best choice ito yung downside. Hindi ito yung best choice kung kailangan mo ng mabigat na video editing machine, kung kailangan mo ng malaking RAM at kailangan mo ng malaking storage, or let's say kung gumagamit ka ng maraming Windows only software, I don't recommend the MacBook Neo is for you. Kasi again 8GB of unified memory lang siya at hindi siya designed for heavy professional workloads. At dahil medyo tumaas na rin yung presyo niya, mas malapit na rin siya guys sa mga ibang solid Windows Ultrabook right now out there. Kaya mas importante pa rin right now na alamin nyo rin talaga kung para saan nyo gagamitin yung laptop na bibili ninyo. So anong totoong sagot? I can say the MacBook Neo is best in terms of price for everyday use and value and longevity, and even kung first time mo papasok sa Apple ecosystem. Pero kung heavy user ka, I can say like really heavy, let's say alam mo may mga dilag ka, mga videos ka, may mga 4K, 60 FPS, 120 FPS na video ka, and kung maintindihan mo yon, I don't think so that this might be the best laptop for you. Maybe you need to extend a little bit on your budget. But in case hindi mo naiintindihan yung mga sinabi ko, then definitely this is the laptop para sa'yo. And honestly, matagal na nating inaantay yung ganitong opportunity, especially guys sa MacBook. Pag MacBook talaga guys, ako, hands up talaga ako dyan pare. Isang MacBook na hindi sasakta ng bulsa. This is the MacBook Neo. At kahit tumaas ang presyo niya, 45 to 48,000 pesos or baka even lower guys during sa mga live selling natin, binago pa rin ng Apple ang tingin natin na kung sino ang pwede magkaroon ng MacBook during these days, 2026 to 2027. And syempre guys, eto na, we will be giving away a one MacBook Neo completely for free here in this video guys. But before we do that, i-announce lang natin guys yung winner ng Nubia V80 Max from our previous video guys. So kung nakikita mo tong comment na to right now sa baba, go message our Facebook page Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to claim your prize. So again, sa MacBook Neo giveaway natin, paano makasali? Simple lang. Like mo lang tong video na to, mag-subscribe ka right now and turn on the notification bell, and i-comment mo dyan sa baba kung ano ang pinaka-nagustuhan mong feature at bakit deserving ka manalo ng MacBook Neo. We will be announcing the winner on our next videos guys. And by the way, kung naghahanap ka ng discounted, the best price na MacBook Neo right now guys, I have attached a link in the description down below for you to get the best price as much as possible with cash on delivery, free shipping nationwide, 1 year to 2 years direct Apple warranty po yan, and even guys 0% SP later just in case kailangan ninyo. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 2.0. See you in the next one.